Hello beautiful souls! Today we will be making the famous red string bracelet, which is believed to bring good luck and protection. I include one with every piece of jewelry I create as a thank you to all the wonderful people that support my Etsy shop. The smallest circumference of the bracelet we will make is 14 centimeters and it opens up to around 27 centimeters. First, we will cut a piece of our string at 34 centimeters to achieve this size. Then, we will make a circle with our string and measure 4 centimeters to create our loops. I make 2 loops, so my bracelet is secure, and I try to pass the remaining string through both loops. When our knot is tied, we'll turn the bracelet to the other side, measure, and repeat the process. I choose to burn the edges of the strings so they won't fray, and I also burn slightly the knots to make sure they won't come undone, but that is not necessary. If you are using a different kind of string, a waxed cotton one for example, you could secure the edges and the knots with a small amount of clear nail polish. Our bracelet is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing.